Deep in the South Atlantic, life seems to have flown the coop. Here, in the rocky outcroppings known as the Falkland Islands, a taloned hunter thrives. The striated caracara. And these talons come in squadrons. Juveniles hang out in fearless gangs. They terrorize each other before wreaking havoc on the rest of the island. Caracaras mainly scavenge, and they're not choosy. When elephant seals molt, the caracaras snack on dead skin. Anything remotely nourishing, they go for. But the fur seal colony provides the main course for the caracara. Newborn pups. When seal moms go fishing, hunting season opens. And that's when this young caracara learns how to use his talons. The rest of the gang piles on, a swarm of switchblades. Just as mother returns. Calling to her pup brings no answer. No problem for the caracara. They can still find plenty of other food to sink their talons into.